Hi guys, welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the year in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your mobile device or desktop. Select the location where you want to view past dates. For example, I've selected the Montclair Art Museum. Next, drag the yellow Pegman icon into Street View. Once in Street View, you can view the area in 360 degrees. In the top left corner, you'll see the current Street View date. Click on the date to view additional available years. You can choose from multiple past views such as 2020, 2019, or 2017. This is how you can change and view different years on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.